Global blocks are here. They've been here for a little while, and I wanted to show you some ways to use them. So I am in a landing page in Ontraport under Pages, and right here is my footer. So what I want to do with this block is actually change it to a global block. So I'm going to click Edit, and up here you'll see the little world that stands for global. This one is the grid and the elements padding and margin on either side, and then this is a favorites button. So I'm going to do global and convert block. Okay, so it's going to pop me into like the global block editor. I'm going to give it a name up here. This is going to be my ISM footer. Now, why would you do this? Well, once you have it set up, I'm going to change this year to be 2020, number 1. Once you have this set up, you can add this global block to every page, and when it becomes 2021, 2022, you only have to make the edit in one spot and it'll update on all of your pages. That is amazing, right? It does take a little time to add it to all your pages, but once you get it done, there you go. Next year, you're golden. So I'm going to hit publish this, and it's going to tell me it's going to publish to one page. Now, once you start publishing this to other pages, you'll see this is published on 2 pages, this is published on 5 pages, you know, etc., etc. So now that I'm done, I'm going to hit the back button here, and it's going to pop me back into my original landing page. Perfect. So now you can see that we've got these 2 new buttons laying on top of the global block to indicate that it's a global block and you can edit it, and you can also detach it from a page. So sometimes you might need to customize the footer a little bit different. You can detach it so it's not a global block anymore. So let's go add it to another page, but first let's publish this page. Great, publish. This is on my WordPress site connected through Ontrapages. I'll do another video on that. So I'm just going to hit publish. Cool. Let's go to the thank you page for this. So let me see. Ultimate thanks. Perfect. Same thing, still the old footer, so I can just hit add block. Give it just a second, and over here under global blocks, we'll see our new one listed. So I actually have a version that's blue, but in this case, I'm going to do the white one, and then I can delete this block. Okay, and then just hit publish. And let me do that on the actual page itself. There it is. I made a copy of the page. It's for marketing for this video, but we can do it on the original page too. So just add block, global blocks, boom. All right, publish. So that is how you use global blocks. I definitely use it for footers for this changing the year and the copyright, but you can also, if you're doing a membership site, and if you're building that through Ontraport, which is awesome, they have a really slick, easy wizard to use for your membership site nowadays, and I highly suggest it. But you could make a header. You can use global blocks for headers, and so you could have like a menu bar at the top and use that on every single membership page. Other ways you can use it, if you always have maybe you're building landing pages and you always have the same form at the bottom, like a footer form, then you can use a global block for that and edit it. So I hope you get creative with your global blocks and enjoy the ease of it. Once you get it set up, it's super easy to change. Thanks so much.